I haven't started my 87 Toyota in a while now, and it happens to be freezing out here. So, I think it's time for a cold start video. Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. My last cold start video with the 1986 1-ton didn't go so well. So let's see how the 87 lifted two-wheel drive does on this cold morning. The snow's crunchy, so you know it's cold here in Ohio. I put a charged battery in her last week and I'm just now finally getting around to starting it up. We got no fresh mouse turds on the seat, and it's gonna be a good day. I can just tell. All right. We'll try one pump on the gas. One pump is all it takes for my 85. How about a few more? All right, I'm just like feathering the pedal now. There we go. Let's go have a look. A little rough when it first fired up there, but the old 22R is purring now. Mechanically, this truck has never given me a problem. It's just too bad the frame rotted away. Well, it'd be a shame to start it up and not take it for a drive. It's been warming up for like 10 or 15 minutes now, and it's still idling really high. With these tires and hardly any weight over the rear, the truck did a one-wheel peel pretty much any time I gave it gas. The left wheel did all the spinning while the right wheel was along for the ride. I turned around at a dead end, and coming back there was a slight incline, so the left wheel spun pretty much the whole way. Well, I'm going to call this one a success. Unlike my 86 pickup, which is a Frankenstein basket case, I really like this truck. It's reliable, it's a 5-speed, the interior is clean, it's lifted. It's just too bad that rust got this one too. Check this out. I've got a fuel leak. I don't know if that's a supply line or a return line. I've had those rust away on most of my Toyotas, and what sucks is that you got to replace the entire sending unit, and it's like $200. Well, thanks for watching. Let's close this one out with a little rev of the 22R. Pop! I'm in the process of pulling the engine and trans out of the 86, so I'll show you all that in next week's video.